not to that YouTube channel. Today, my mom is making 2 types spicy noodle, red, black, and yellow. And my mom is going to eat it with the spicy noodle and to cook it over there and put the noodle maybe over there. So she's going to make it. Let's go. Now I'm going to open the noodle and then we will put it in the pot. Let's go cut it out. It's kind of hard for me. I'll just keep it. It's going to take forever, so you can just go to sleep and I'll wake you up. The last one. And we're done. Now we're going to put it in the pot. Okay. Now we're going to put in the noodle. Obviously, with the sauce. Close it. The sauce. It's different. So, oh my god. I think that's too much. So, they're going to be maybe, yeah, a lot. So, oh my god. It was about to fall down. I catched it. And the last one, you'll open it with me. Let's open the last one. It's this noodle. Let's open it. Open. Put it inside. And then get the noodle right here. Then, yay! We did it together. Yay! Now we're going to mix it. Mix. Now we're going to wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes done, I'm going to open this. Oh my god, I don't know what to put this. And get this and mix it. It's hot. I'm going to kind of stand. And now going to close it. We're done. Now, okay. Take the water out. So, put it here. Now it's done. Look at it's crazy. Yeah, I'm done, and it's oh my god, it's done. Now put this and put it right here, and we're going to put the sauce. So I don't know how much to put these, so I'm going to put it after these are done. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to put this. Now we're going to put the spicy sauce. So I'm putting all. It is spicy, so I call it spicy sauce. It's like so dark. It's different because the noodles are different. Going to mix the noodle up. Oh my god. I don't know how to mix, so I'm just trying my best. Now it's done. Now we're going to put it in the middle. This, so that's big. That's too slow, so I'm just going to do this. Now it's done. Let's go eat. Let me just try one. Yummy. Dang. I made it. I hope you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. And share this with a friend, please, and comment. And see you later. Bye.